what's going on, guys? We got Jacqueline here with Lucas, and today we're going to show you how to make protein pancakes. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 scoop of protein. Any protein of your choice should be fine. Here today we're using grass-fed whey isolate. You're going to need some oats, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, blueberries for topping, banana, and 4 eggs. The eggs we have are actually from my brother and from his chickens, so they're actually kind of small. So we're going to use 5 for this recipe, but the recipe actually calls for 4. Okay, so getting right into it, we're going to start with our banana and put it in our bowl and mash it up.
Should I be doing anything here?
No, you're good. You can do the eggs next.
Ooh.
An overripe banana is probably easier to mash up and blend with your ingredients, but if it's not super ripe, it can still work. You just gotta put a little more elbow grease into it. Smash that banana there. I'm just gonna scoot it to the side for a second so I can put my eggs in. Oh, look at those yolks. So bright. 2. And then for 3 of the eggs, you're just gonna want egg whites. So use this technique here, just kind of scooting the yolk in between the 2 shells to get just the white. And again, I'm using 5 eggs instead of 4 just because they're smaller. Just got a little egg on my hands. Should learn how to crack it like one hand, you know?
I can do that.
No, you can't.
I'll show you next time.
Okay, next time. So you want to whisk your eggs. Blend them up pretty good here. And then go ahead and mix it in with the banana. Okay. So those are your wet ingredients. Now we're gonna move on to the dry ingredients. Okay, next step is 40 grams of oats.
Right.
So we're gonna make oat flour actually. This is a coffee grinder, but it works pretty well to grind up oatmeal into oat flour. So I like to put this on my food scale and then zero it out. And then whatever you put into it then is the weight of the food. So we need 40 grams here. Spilling all over the place. Okay.
Sweet.
Now you can grind that out
I
for
grind?
me.
Me grind? Oh.
Yeah, you go for
Cool.
that.
Alright. So. Let's see here.
You mixing?
Mixing away. Look at that. Look at that powder. Maybe a little more? It looks pretty good.
That looks pretty good actually. Yeah, go ahead and pour that in.
Oatmeal.
And
Ready?
you can stir it up.
Alright. That's it. That's pretty much it.
Perfect.
Stir it up in there.
Okay, next we're gonna need half a teaspoon of baking powder. So I have this here.
Let's have a teaspoon.
That's what it says.
I think it's a tablespoon.
It says TSP.
Wait.
That's what it says.
Okay, yo, that's cool. Yo, just do it. Fine, that's cool.
It says TSP. I'll put a little less. I don't know.
No, just put it in. Just put it all in.
Lucas is freaking out.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's
Okay.
been a long while since I messed around with spoons.
And a pinch of salt. What does that even mean? A pinch of salt? Like, I never
don't
know
know.
how much to put.
So just a little bit.
Okay. And a pinch of cinnamon. I'm gonna put a little more though, because I really like cinnamon. Okay. And whisk that together. Well, it's starting to smell good now because of the cinnamon.
Yeah, it actually looks really good, honestly.
So fall.
This would probably make a great pancake just as is, but we're gonna, protein it up?
Yes. Almost forgot about that.
Yeah,
It's
right.
like most important part. Okay, 1 scoop of protein.
So we're using whey?
Yeah, grass-fed, 100% whey isolate. I got it from Amazon Basics. Like, is that sketchy? I don't know. It tastes really good though. It's a big scoop. Okay, so now we're gonna preheat the pan a little bit. Let's just do medium heat. And just so it doesn't stick, I'm gonna put a little olive oil on. Spray would work fine too, but I don't have that right now, so a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so each pancake, these are gonna be mini pancakes, so each pancake's gonna be 2 tablespoons worth. So I'll go ahead and scoop those in right now. This is such a fail right now.
No, they're gonna be fine.
Instagram versus reality.
Yo, it looks like somebody's hair. Like you could put like 2 eyes and like a mouth, and they just have like, you know, that typical mom teacher hairdo. You should have preheated the pan. All right, guys.
They actually taste really good. That's the sad part.
All right, feed me. I'm doing this for the video. Break my streak. Probably never gonna go back after this. You're ruining me. Oh,
It's
wow,
good, right?
That's extremely good. Get the crust, there's protein in there. That's pretty.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, these are way better.
Yeah.
Preheating the pan, guys.
So, learn from our mistakes.
Preheat the pan.
Yeah, preheat the pan.
Okay, we're gonna make our topping now. Get yourself a little dish. Take a handful. Put them in your dish. A little bit of water from washing them. And we're gonna microwave them for a couple seconds so they're just warm and kind of like bust open a little bit.
Alright, so once they...
Come on.
Oh, you almost did it. You gotta do this.
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
Oh, yes!
Those look good. Preheat the pan. That's the secret.
Okay, putting these in the microwave.
Stand at least 6 feet distance or you're gonna get a
Brain
brain
tumor.
radiation. Don't joke about that stuff.
I'm not joking. It'd be terrible.
Are you 6 feet away at least? I hear him screaming.
Listen to him talk to me. Yes. Okay, this is what we're going for. The juices seep out a little bit. Put that right on the pancake. Yeah, those are done.
Perfect.
Get this big one.
So how long did that take?
2 minutes aside.
2 minutes aside. Approximately. Medium heat. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful.
I'm on a mission now.
You know they're not biologically available anymore. All their living cells are dead because you put it in the microwave. Heck, they are actually skewed.
Yeah, but it's the recipe.
Holy
Are they
moly.
gonna connect or are they good?
I think
I
they're
think
good.
they're good.
Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, and you put the juice down the side.
You know, thumbnail and all.
That is picture perfect. I've never seen anything like it.
Thanks.
Not in my house, at least.
Ready to dig in? You
Let's
do it.
Me?
Yeah.
I get to take the top one off?
Yeah, if you want it.
Oh man. At the top too. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh wow.
It's pretty good.
Mm.
It's like a pancake muffin.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Wow.
No?
No, it's really good. Holy moly, whey is good. Wow.
Mmm. Oh my goodness.
Can't even tell it's in there. What are the macros on this? You got the breakdown?
I'll have to calculate it real quick.
How was the big one?
Mmm.
Mm.
It tastes so good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright everyone, that wraps up the video. I hope this helps you out. Let me know if you try it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And we'll see you in the next one.